2019 Toyota Corolla Touring Sport. This is the dash cam rear view camera. Red wire is the signal for the camera to come on, and if you can see the connector over there, okay, you can see two green wires. On one of the green wires I have connected the signal light. That's the reverse light for the car. You have two of them, one for each, left and right reverse lights on the aft door, and it's how under this cover here, very easy to clip on and clip off, but you need to connect this one back on the cover once you put it back in. But this is just the quick crash course because it takes a little bit longer to fit the light, to find the light when you're looking for it. So there it goes. Now you can see the trailer in front of me. Of course it's trying to reflect when I put it on reverse, and there you can see the sun shining, but you're in reverse for the mirror, and so it's for the car. You can also see the clouds because the aft door is open. But that's all. That's just so that you would know which one are the wires for the, let's shut this off, for the reverse light, so you can connect your camera, your dash cam signal over there. You see there are two connectors. One is the power connector for the window heating, and you have one black one here. It's right behind the, it's that black one over there. It goes over here to the first from the right to the left, then you have the green one, and then you have the red one, the brown one, and another green one. Each of those green ones are for the reverse light, so you just connect your camera over there, and that's it. Good luck.